Hello, my dear students. This is very important video for you, especially for class 12 students. And I have taken the reference of the book Understanding ISC Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal. In this, there is a chapter Matrices, chapter 3. I have made the two videos. Means in that videos I explained the matrix, addition, multiplication and some more thing, and also in the part 2 that is the skew symmetric and symmetry. This is the part 3, but I tell you, if you see this video, then you must watch the next video, that is part 4, because this is the introduction, that is the how to apply the L5 rule in elementary row operation to find the inverse of the matrix. This rule is developed by me, especially you can say that is the L5, and by this way you can get easily the inverse of the matrix A. As you know, means if you study the further, then you will get the one more method to find the A inverse. But if the method is mentioned, suppose you have to find the A inverse by using the elementary row operation, then you have to use the same. Otherwise, you will not get the marks in the ISC board examination or anywhere. So if the method is mentioned, you have to do this by using the same method. Here you have to use the elementary row operation L5 rule to find the A inverse. Before that, I suppose that you know the 3 cross 3 matrix, and also you know the unit matrix of 3 cross 3. As you can see here, the one matrix is of 3 cross 3 is here, and this is the unit matrix I3. You can say I3 means the unit matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. What is the method to solve such type of questions in which you have to find the A inverse by using the elementary row operation? First of all, I explained by using this diagram. You can see this diagram, and this diagram having the 9 boxes are there, and in the 9 boxes, the first box self divide, it is written. In this the R2, in this R3, then R1, then self divide R3, and then R1, R2 self divide, and here some arrows are also given. What is the meaning? Means you have to apply the same way in the question. That is easy, but let me explain. When you have a question, suppose this question, and you have to find the inverse of this question, okay, by using this method, you have to apply the one formula. You have to let A is equal to I3A. The two are same. Why? I3 is a unit matrix. When you multiply by a matrix to the unit, you will get the same. So there is no problem. But this is the method. In this, A is equal to I3A, and then write as it is. Means in place of A, you write the matrix in the left hand side. In place of I3, you write the unit matrix, and then in place of A, you don't write this matrix because you have to find the inverse of that. How to find? What is the method? Basically, you have to change this matrix as the unit matrix. मतलब ये पूरी मैट्रिक्स को तुम्हें यूनिट मैट्रिक्स में चेंज करना है. You have to change in the unit matrix of 3 cross 3, and this matrix you will get after, means if you change in the unit matrix, this will change into matrix in some other matrix, and this some other matrix is known as the B matrix, और ये B matrix ही इसका inverse होगा. So that is why it is known as the A inverse is equal to B. How to change this matrix as the unit matrix? The method is there. इसी matrix को, this matrix you have to change in the unit matrix by this way. What is the meaning of this way? First element you can see this is 2, okay, and you have to make 1 क्योंकि यूनिट मैट्रिक्स में पहले स्टार्टिंग 1 से होती 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. In this case, if you want to get 1 as the first element, you must self divide. जैसे ये 2 है तो 2 को 2 से ही डिवाइड कर दे, लेकिन बट हाउ टू डिवाइड? बाय यूजिंग एलिमेंट्री रो ऑपरेशन. अब रो ऑपरेशन क्या होते हैं? There here some written the examples here. R1 मतलब जैसे मान ले सपोज करो हमें R1 में चेंज करना है. This R1 we have to change or we have to add something. Then R1 plus 2R2 means R2 के जितने एलिमेंट है उसमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट में ऐड कर देना. You have to add the 2R2 in R1, okay, and then change only R1. This R1 will change only, not the R2. The term which is written in the left hand side, that will change only, not the right hand side. Right hand side is the operation, means you are doing the operation. So in this case, suppose for example you have to change the R2, so R2 is equal to R2 minus 3R1. R1 means you multiply the R1 element of R1 by minus 3 and then add in the R2, and this you will get the something different. So this I'll tell you in the next video how it will happen. But if you want to divide, self divide, तो R2 tending to R2 by 3. Suppose हमें R2 के एलिमेंट को सेल्फ डिवाइड करना है, किसी एक एलिमेंट को, तो you cannot do only one element, the self divide. You have to do the self divide by the self divide means the divide by, suppose it is 3, तो R2 के जितने 3 elements हैं you have to divide the all the 3 elements by 3. You have to multiply all the 3 elements by 3 या by 2, जो भी that will. The last one in this case, if R1 plus 7, you cannot add, subtract a number to the rows. जैसे R1 में 7 ऐड करें, this is absolutely wrong, इसको नहीं करना. 7 के साथ में R1 लगना चाहिए या R2 लगना चाहिए या R3 लगना चाहिए. In that case then you can add. Means subtraction and addition of a scalar is not allowed, so you have to be cautious. No, so first one you have to self divide. Self divide means this 2 you have to change into 1 by dividing it by 2 again. तो 2 by 2 that is 1. तो हम यहाँ पे अगर ऐसे लिखेंगे R1 by 2 like that, so it will be 1 minus 1 by 2 and 4 by 2, that is 2. So it will change into the 1 minus 1 by 2 and 2. Then you come in this direction, मतलब कि अब इस डायरेक्शन में आना, उधर नहीं जाना. I'll tell you why you follow this way. You take this element because as it is 0, तो इसे you have to make the 0. You have to change this element into 0. How to change into the 0? By taking the R1 rows, first rows को ले करके किसी भी तरीके से इसको 0 करें. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अब फर्स्ट रो हमारी आ गई है, ये 1 हो गया है, सपोज करें ये 1 हो गया, एंड यू हैव टू मेड इट 0. तो हाउ यू कैन मेड इट 0? You can write here R2 tending to R2 minus 4 R1. So it will be 0. 4 minus 1 into 4 into 1 and that will be 0. So you will get this element as 0. Similarly the other element R2 की value 0 है. Minus 4 into minus 1 that is plus 4. So it will be 4. So it means you will get the required element as 0. Okay. Then give in this direction means that this element you have to make again 0. Taking R1 again, इसी तरह से इसको भी हमें जैसे इस एग्जांपल में ये 3 है हमारा और ये 1 है, ये 1 it is already changed. तो you have to change this one as 0. तो now you write here R3 tending to R3 minus 3 R1. So you will get 0 here. You don't see that the other elements whether they are coming in 0, 1, etc. nothing. You have to see the elements which you are doing the operation, that the required elements are in the same order. मतलब ये 1 है तो ये नहीं चेंज होना चाहिए, That 0, if you have taken the 0, then this will not be changed, and this is 0, then this will not be changed. जो हम बनाते जा रहे हैं, that will not be changed further. Now go in this direction, that is this element. This element also you have to make 0. अब ये R2 जो लिखा हुआ है, R2 means take this row as taking 0 for this element. इस एलिमेंट को 0 करने के लिए you take the R2. How to take the R2? Suppose for example यहाँ पे कोई भी एलिमेंट आ गया हो, suppose करें 1/2 आ गया, and you have to make it 0 by taking the R2. Then what you will do? R2 tending to minus वो R2 tending to R2 नहीं, इसको R3 tending to R3 minus, या अब ये -2 है, यहाँ पे -2 होना चाहिए. तो how you can get the -2? If you multiply, it will be R3 plus 4R2. Now you can calculate. R3 minus 2 है plus 4 into 1/2, that is 2. So it will be 0. So by this way you can get the 0. Means by any means you have to take only the R2, not the R1. अगर R1 लेंगे तो you will means you will get the different value of this जो हम बना चुके हैं, फिर से ये चेंज हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इसको लेने से ये 1 है हमारा, इसमें भी तो चेंजेस हो जाएंगे. बट this row if we take for this element, तो this is 0, this is 0, there will be no change in these two elements. तो इस एलिमेंट में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. Okay, now go in this direction. This is the self divide. Self divide means the again if 7 is there and you have to make it 1, so what you will do? You will do R3 tending to 1/7 R3. तो it will be 1. अब चूंकि ये भी 0 पहले से बन जा चुके थे, तो there will be no change in these two elements. तो ये 0 ही रहेगा, ये भी 0 रहेगा, that will come as 1. Now go in this direction. This is R3. You take this row to make 0 this element. इस एलिमेंट को 0 बनाने के लिए ये रो लेना है. Why we consider this row? Because 1 is there already made, the 1. तो इसमें आसानी से बन सकता है. जैसे सपोज करें ये 1 हो गया हमारा और ये 2 है हमारा, तो in this case you can write directly the R2 tending to R2 minus 2R3, so it will come 0, and there will be no change in these two elements because these two already 0. तो इस दोनों में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा, मतलब इसमें भी कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. क्लियर? Now go in this direction means the middle element, that is self divide. जहां पे 1 आना है, that you have to be take the self divide, मतलब उसको अब जैसे for example it is 1/2 suppose, and you have to write as 1, change into the 1. तो कैसे चेंज करेंगे? That is R2 tending to 2R2, तो it will be 1. अब it will be 1, ये already 0 हो चुका था पहले, ये already 0 हो चुका है, तो there will be no change in these two elements. You will get the only 1 here. Then go in this direction, that is R2. R2 you will take, why? Because it is 1. अब बन चुका है 1. It is in the previous step you have changed this element as 1. So it will be easier to take the R2 to make 0 this element. Okay, by the same way. And then go the last step, that is R3. R3 is here, means that take this one because R3 की नीचे 1 कहाँ पे आया? यहाँ, तो R3 लेना ज्यादा beneficial है. In case you have to make 0 this one. So this method, by this way, if you see the direction like this, ये है, तो by this way, then this direction, this one, 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 and then this direction, last this one. So start from here and go to by this L. अब यदि हम इसको L5 रूल कहते हैं, तो बस हल्का सा इसको हम यहाँ पे अगर हटा दें, तो you can say that this is L and this is 5. That is why it is known as the L5 rule. So this way you can find the A inverse. In the next video, this is the rule. I have not told the question. I'll tell you in the next video because the question. And one more thing, there are maximum 9 steps. How the 9 steps? Because 9 elements are there. क्योंकि पहले इसको बनाया, इसको बनाया, इसको बनाया, all the elements. So there are the maximum 9 steps. In some question the steps may be less. How? If already one is there in the first element, then okay, it's okay. And if you are changing any one and you are getting the 0 and other elements, मतलब required place पे 0 आ रहे हैं, तो step less हो सकते हैं. But maximum 9 steps are there. Why we use these steps? मतलब इस तरह से क्यों use करते हैं? Why we use the L5 rule by this way? If you change according to anyone, means according to you, मतलब कि कोई भी step कैसे भी ले ले, then you will not get the exact answer. You will get exact answer when you change the every means this matrix into the unit matrix. Then you will get the exact answer. So next video I will send you. That is maybe after some time, but you must watch. And in that the question will be there, in which I will explain the how to do the questions. Thank you and have a nice day.